Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for any Google Chrome user: how to open a new tab. Whether you're multitasking, researching, or just browsing, knowing how to open a new tab can greatly enhance your online experience. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Chrome browser on your computer. If you're not sure where it is, look for the colorful circular icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click it to launch the browser. Once Chrome is open, the next step is to locate the three dots at the top right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu options available to you. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, you will see several choices, but what you want to do is select New Tab. By clicking on this option, a new tab will instantly open in your browser. This allows you to start fresh with a new web page while keeping your current tab open. And that's all there is to it. Opening a new tab in Google Chrome is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you can switch between tabs effortlessly, explore different websites, and keep your browsing organized without losing track of what you were doing. Remember, utilizing tabs effectively can significantly improve your productivity and make your browsing experience more enjoyable. So go ahead and start exploring the endless possibilities that come with having multiple tabs open in Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Chrome and other useful tools. Happy browsing!